Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you notice I didn't say girlfriends, because today we are doing my eyebrows. They're kind of done right now, just a little bit, but I'm gonna show you guys how to do my eyebrows at home. I know we're in quarantine, especially if you live in Florida like I do. So this is my routine. Sorry, all my devices are lighting up. This is my routine on how I do my eyebrows, so let's get right into it. Okay, now I feel free. This is freedom. Okay, just a little ratchet bun. I'm gonna zoom you guys in, but I'm also gonna have my camera. Let me show you what products I'm using first. I'm going in with this Nair face cream. I would definitely try like a face test or like a little spot test. So do a little spot on your face, see if you turn red, turn green, burn your skin. Try it first before you use it, but I don't really, this doesn't bother my skin, and I have pretty sensitive skin, but it doesn't bother me at all. Next, I have this beat up brush from Elf. It says Elf concealer brush. I don't know if you guys can really even see that. So yeah. Next, that's really all the products that we're gonna use. It's by Nair. It's their face cream. It's for thorough hair remover, long lasting visible smoothness, and easy, fast, pain free. So I'm literally just gonna put like a little bit. Like that much. This little thing lasts a long time. I've had this for years. Because girl, I had one bad eyebrow. I had one bad eyebrow experience my junior year in high school, and it was bad. So I never went back. I usually do this with my makeup off, but it's on. So here we go. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in. Let me zoom you guys. I'm not a makeup artist, y'all. I have eyebrow gel on this, so it's pretty stiff, not going anywhere. But I know you guys can see these hairs right up in here. I don't really have a lot of hair on the top, but a lot of hair up in here. We're just gonna take that away. So I have, oh chocolates. I have some of my product, and oh my gosh, my brow's not brushed the right way. Okay, we're gonna retry. Okay, so step one is to brush the hairs exactly how you want them. So when you're doing your makeup, this is how I like my brows to be. Boom. And I'm literally just gonna, well, that didn't go as planned, but it's okay. I'm just gonna trace that line. Just like you would with concealer, how you like trace under your brow. It's the same concept. My camera's dying. Just trace it. And then I put a little extra down there, because that's usually where I get a little new growth. And I'm gonna go back in with some more product and just apply some more. And you can do this too. When I first did it, I did like a wet, here it is, the Wet n Wild, what is this? I think it's a lip liner. I had the black one, and I literally just traced under and traced over in a box so I can see what I was doing, and like see what hair was gonna stay and what hair was gonna, like, what I was gonna take off, if that makes any sense. And yeah, I use it as an outline, but now I don't really need it because I know what I'm looking for. But this is right now. You leave this on for about 7 to 10 minutes, and then you literally wipe it off, and then your brows are beautiful. And I'm just gonna lightly trace the top because I don't have much hair that needs to. I got a little bit of hair on my brows, but it's okay. And for the next one, I'm going to take off my makeup off this eyebrow so you can see what I'm really working with. I'm like exposing myself, but here we go. So brush your eyebrows where you want them to be. You can, this eyebrow for me is my worst eyebrow. It doesn't have much as the shape as this one. You can see I definitely have a lot of like new growth under there. Make sure you take your time when you're brushing this part out. Just remember that once it's gone, and you can't put your eyebrows back on. I mean, girl, you could draw them back on, but I like to have some eyebrows when I take off my makeup. Personal preference. So this is with makeup on, and this is without makeup. Now we wait 10 minutes, and I'll be right back when this is all off my eyebrows, and then we're gonna tweeze the rest of the hairs that are still there. Do you like this new nail color? I'm trying a new one. Don't look at my cuticles. I do my nails myself. If you have a video on that, let me know. Okay, y'all, my camera's really gonna die. But we're in a hurry. This is the easy part. So now it's been 10 minutes. I'm literally just going to wipe. Oh, look at it. Oh, this stain. Girl, it should not be funky like that. Eyebrows are important. They're like what I look at first, you know? Some people look at shoes, hair. Look at eyebrows. I was really obsessed with eyebrows for a long time. I can't do makeup, but I can do my eyebrows. So this is what we're working with. I'm gonna take my spoolie again. It really got a lot of the hairs and it loosened up the hairs. You can definitely see that shape coming through. I just have to pluck some of these that are left over. Or you could just apply some more and leave it on, but I'm just gonna pluck them. This one kind of, I should have left it on a little longer, but you could see. But you see how this one is more like a arch? I don't know, but I don't got time to be sitting here staring at myself. So I have these Tweezerman eyebrow. They're just tweezers. I just like that line to be clean. I can fix the rest with some makeup, girl. Okay, stop playing. I also have another tool. My little baby scissors. Oh, my camera's about to die for real. So I'll come back because my camera's about to die. I'm gonna do the same thing I did to this eyebrow, and I'm gonna put some makeup on them, and I'll show you the final result when I'm done. See, so my eyebrows are pretty much have that like curve, that little arch right here, and then the only parts I really tend to fill in is just a little bump right there because it's the hair I'm missing. This is my bad eyebrow right here. So now it'll be easy to fill them in after I went and tweezed. Can you focus? But you see how this eyebrow has more hair, right? So I'm gonna do my eyebrows and I'll be right back. I'm gonna zoom you guys in so we can get real close into these brows, honey. They're cousins for sure, but I really like them. And it's so much easier. Like, I'm that girl that will take 30 minutes to an hour doing her eyebrows, but when they're done, it literally takes no time. No time at all. It just makes it 10 times easier. I'll link the Nair down below. I know we're in quarantine and girl, we can't go to the eyebrow lady, but it's okay because we do our own brows. Save you that coin, girl. I'll see you guys next time. Make sure you guys keep deep conditioning. Stay safe out here. And I'll see you next time. Toodles!